Sound, guys, so you can see that's what we're looking for. Nice holes, nice slots, so the air can trickle straight through. Down, guys, so that's the vents on. Lewis will just give them a quick clean before he puts them in. That's the internal. You can see, opens and closes. And that's the external. Right, on to the next ones. Puts them two there. You just come over. Cheers, pal. I'll close your door for you. And then one in the bathroom. Two in the front bedroom. As you can see, they've been beautiful. And then two in here. Put new handles on here as well. Umbrella blowing blows. And then there's one downstairs in the kitchen. But the one in the kitchen was a little bit tricky because it's got blowings on. Because they've got the blinds on, we've had to sit them a little bit higher, so there was 9 in total. So they've got them fancy blinds, we've had to sit the vents right on the top of them, but they're okay, guys, so it's them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there was 9 on this one. This house is definitely going to notice less condensation. 3, that's 5, 6. Nearly forgot. 7. And then this one here. At the front of the house. 8, 9, and that's the morning's work. So this house now is definitely going to be cooler in the summer. It's going to have less condensation, which means less mould, less humidity in the house. So if anyone's getting too much humidity in the house, trickle vents are the way to go.